Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, nowadays we are doing past papers of integration. So today I choose this question. This question came October, November 2014, paper 13, question number 8. Part number 1. Given that fx equals to x ln x cube, show that f dash x is equals to 3 into 1 plus ln x. F dash x means find the derivative of the given function. So we have to apply u into v formula. Here u is x and v is ln x cube. So u times derivative of v, ln x cube derivative is 1 upon x cube into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, plus ln x cube multiplied by the derivative of x, that is 1. Now x square multiplied by x is x cube. This x cube cancel by the denominator x cube. So 3 is remaining, plus ln x cube into 1 is ln x cube. Power can be right before the log. So 3 ln x. 3 can common, 1 plus ln x. And this is the requirement of the question part 1. Show that f dash x is equals to 3 into 1 plus ln x. Move to part 2. Hence find integration of 1 plus ln x. Very easy. So if the derivative of x ln x cube is 3 into 1 plus ln x, then the integration then the integration of 3 1 plus ln x dx is equals to x ln x cube. So we need to find integration of 1 plus ln x. So just shift this 3 on other side. So 1 plus ln x dx is equals to, this 3 must be divided on other side. So 1 upon 3 x ln x cube plus c. This is our answer. See this part again. Hence find integration 1 plus ln x. So integrate of 1 plus ln x dx is 1 upon 3 x ln x cube plus c. Hence find limit 1 to 2 integrate ln x dx in the form of p plus ln q. Very easy. Limit is 1 to 2. So first we have to integrate ln x. So take this, 1 into dx is dx, 1 into ln x is ln x dx is equals to 1 upon 3x ln x cube. Then integration of dx is x plus integrate ln x dx is equals to 1 upon 3x ln x cube. Integrate ln x dx is 1 upon 3x ln x cube minus x. And before I apply the limit, I can simplify it more. Power right before the log 3 ln x minus x. 3 cancel by 3. It is x ln x minus x. The requirement of the question is apply the limit from 1 to 2 ln x dx. So we have to apply the limit 1 to 2. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 ln 2 minus 2 minus 1 ln 1 minus 1. So 2 ln 2 minus 2 minus ln 1 is 0 minus minus plus. So 2 ln 2 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, or you may write power after the log. So this 2 becomes 2 power 2 minus 1. ln 2 square is ln 4 minus 1 plus ln 4. This is our final answer. So hope you enjoyed this part. Very important question this. All questions are very important. Next question. So this question came in October November 2014, paper 1-3, question number 8. Next question. Another very interesting question. This question came May, June 2015, paper 1-2, question number 8. Part number 1, find integrate tan e 2x plus e minus 2x dx. Very easy. Tan goes outside. E 2x plus integrate, sorry, I forgot to put dx, minus 2x dx. Tan e power 2x integration is e power 2x upon derivative of 2x, that is 2, plus e power minus 2x integration is e power minus 2x upon derivative of minus 2x, that is minus 2. 2 5s are 10, 2x minus 1 upon 2 e power minus 2x plus c. Answer. So very easy part. 5 e power 2x minus 1 upon 2 e power minus 2x plus c is our answer. Move to part 2. Hence, part 2. Hence find limit minus k to k tan e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx in terms of the constant k. Very easy. So we have already integrated this. The answer is 5e 2x minus 1 upon 2e minus 2x, and now apply the limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. 5e 2k minus 1 upon 2e minus 2k minus lower limit 5e minus 2k minus 1 upon 2e minus minus plus 2k. So student, 5e power 2k minus 1 upon 2e power 2 minus 2k minus 5e power minus 2k minus 1 upon 2e power 2k is our final answer. This is the requirement of part 2. Next, part 3. Part 3 is what? Given that 10 e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx is equals to minus 60, show that 11 e 2k minus 11 minus 2k plus 120 is equals to 0. Very easy. So we have already find the answer of the integration, that is 5 e power 2k minus 1 upon 2 e power minus 2k minus 5 e power minus 2k minus minus plus 1 upon e power 2k is equals to given minus 60. This is part 3. Now 5 e power 2k plus 1 upon 2 e power 2k. I am just rearranging 1 upon 2 e power minus 2k minus 5 e power minus 2k is equals to minus 60. 5 e power 2k plus 1 upon 2 e power 2k. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 2 e power 2k minus 2 5s are 10 minus 1 11 upon 2 e power minus 2k is equals to minus 60. Taking the LCM, 2 11 e power 2k minus 11 e power minus 2k is equals to minus 60. 11 e power 2k minus 11 e power minus 2k is equals to minus 120, because 2 into minus 60 is minus 120. So 11 e power 2k minus 11 e power minus 2k plus 120 is equals to 0. Shown. This is our requirement. You can check again part 3. Part 3, given that integrate minus k to k 10 e 2x plus e minus 2x dx is equals to minus 60, show that 11 e 2k minus 11 e minus 2k plus 120 is equals to 0. So we have find this answer. Now last part, using a substitution of y is equals to e power 2k or otherwise means apply, you can apply another method. Find the value of k in terms of a, l and b, where a and b are constants. Very easy. This is part 4. So part 4 is we have to use substitution. According to the substitution, we have to take e power 2k is equals to y. So put e power 2k is y in your final answer of part 3. 11 e power 2k means 11y minus 11 e power minus 2k becomes e power 2k after going to towards denominator. So it will be 11 upon y plus 120 is equals to 0. Taking the LCM y, so it is 11 y square minus 11 plus 120 y is equals to 0. So 11 y square plus 120y minus 11 is equals to 0. This makes a quadratic equation. So we will apply middle term break method. 11 11s are 120 and 12 10s are 11 11s are 120 and 121 ones are 121 and 121 minus 1 is 120. So 11 y square plus 120, sorry, 121, I'm sorry, 121y minus y minus 11 is equals to 0. Taking first two, last two, taking 11 is common, 11y is common, sorry, so it is y plus 11, taking minus 1, it is y plus 11 is equals to 0. Next, so y plus 11 and 11y minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to minus 11 or y is equals to 1 upon 11. So there are two values of y. Next, taking one by one value, y is equals to minus 11. Y was e power 2k is equals to minus 11. Taking ln on both sides, ln e power 2k is equals to ln minus 11. So it is not admissible because negative logarithm of negative number is undefined. So take another value, y is equals to 1 upon 11. Y is e power 2k is equals to 1 upon 11. Taking ln on both sides, ln e power 2k is equals to ln 1 upon 11. Ln and e are cancel each other. So it is 2k is equals to 1 upon 11. So k is equals to 1 upon 2 11, 1 upon 2 ln 1 upon 11. This is our answer. See the requirement of part 4 again. This question was little bit lengthy. Find the value of k in the form of a ln b, where a and b are constant. A ln b. You can see this is a, which is 1 upon 2. This is b, which is 1 upon 11. I am just showing a and b. The values of a and b are not necessary to mention, but we have to give in the form of a ln b means constant, then write ln, then constant. So student, this is our today's class where we did two questions, one from 2014 and one from 2015. I will do some more questions of this topic, and after integration